Hey guys, what's up? Yet another ultimate computer update, I guess. I've been torture testing my CPU to see what temperatures I'm getting so that I know about how much headroom temperature-wise I have for overclocking, and I've been running Prime 95 for about the last 30 minutes or so, small FFT, and as you can see I'm using 100% of my CPU on all 12 threads. I know it's not focusing real well. It's my camera's my camera phone camera, so it's not the greatest. But there's my speed fan temperature monitoring. I don't know if you can tell that, but each individual core is only maxing out at about 55 Celsius, and it's reporting the CPU at 34 to 38 Celsius. And this chip's rated to like 100 Celsius, so I've got quite a bit of overclocking room with the H100. I will note that on top here there's a 200 mil, and underneath that, attached to the H100, are two 120 mils, and then on the other side of the radiator is two more 120s. So there's 6 fans blowing across my radiator and down across the motherboard. So that does make a difference. These top fans are actually acting as intake instead of exhaust, so that the heat sinks on my motherboard and the power DigiPlus power phase stuff is all cooled properly. The only exhaust fan I have is actually this 120 mil in the back and my GPU fans, but this grill right here, because I have so many fans blowing into the case, it's actually kind of pressurizing the case a bit, so it's kind of pushing air out just on its own without a fan being there. If I put my hand here, I can feel the warm air coming out of the case, but and down here obviously are my GPUs exhausting. So that was pretty much all I wanted to show you on this update. As you can see, besides just having Prime 95, the Task Manager, and SpeedFan open, I also have Firefox and AIM open. And let me just show you a demonstration, and I'll show you that even with all 12 threads maxed out, because of my RAM, I still have insanely fast work speeds. So I could even load up FL10 right now, and you see how fast that loaded. And that's with all 12 threads maxed out. And that is the extended memory version of FL Studio. So let me go ahead and load up like a blue or something so you can see how fast it loads. It's going to take it a little second with the cores being maxed, but it will load. There it goes. So as you can tell, I'm getting pretty good performance. Well, not pretty good. I'm getting really good performance even on stock clock speeds. So once I overclock, I will have even better speeds and just slightly higher temperatures, hopefully. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, and peace out.